In this video, we'll be crocheting this beautiful and cute lemonade hat for your little cute cats. This will fit any cat size, but I will also give you instructions in the video so you can crochet it for any size based on your taste. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like or comment down below. Let's get started and see how we can crochet this. I'm using Crochet Baby for the yarn in two colors, green and yellow. Doesn't matter what color you choose, it's completely based on your taste. And then we have some scissors, two sides of crochet hook, 3mm and 4mm, and then a darning needle. To start the hat, I'm using 4mm crochet hook, and you can make a magic ring, or instead I'm going to chain 3. And in the very first stitch we are going to make 6 half double crochet, and this chain 2 does not count as a half double crochet. So at the end of this row you should have 6 half double crochet in total. Two, and 6. Now we make a slip stitch into the very first half double crochet that we had. So insert your hook into this first half double crochet, make a slip stitch. So for the next row, chain 1, and then you're going to make increases in all stitches. It means 2 half double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row, and in total you should have 12 half double crochet at the end of this row. And this chain 1 does not count as a half double crochet. So keep going and make increases, and I will see you guys at the end of this row. Now connect the row with a slip stitch. For the next row, we make 1 chain. You do 1 half double crochet and then an increase all the way around. So first make 1 half double crochet, and in the next one an increase. Just do this to the end of the row, and at the end of this row you should have 18 stitches. So keep going. I will meet you guys at the end of this row. Now we connect the row with a slip stitch, and for the next row chain 1 again, and then we make 2 half double crochet and then an increase all the way around till the end of the row. So at the end of this row you should have 24 stitches in total. Keep doing this, and I will meet you guys back again. Now for the next row, chain 1 again. We add 1 more half double crochet with a pattern, so we make 3 half double crochet and then an increase all the way around till the end of the row as before. So at the end of this row, you should have 30 stitches in total. For the next row, chain 1, and now we make 4 half double crochet and then an increase. At the end of this row, you should have 36 stitches in total. 4 and then an increase all the way around. Now for the next row, chain 1, we make 5 half double crochet and then an increase all the way around till the end of this row. And at the end of this row, you should have 42 stitches in total. Then an increase. Just keep repeating this till the end of the row. Okay, so this part goes in between the cat's ears, and for mine it's 9 centimeters. But if you wanted to fit perfectly, just measure the distance between the ears of your cat and then crochet based on that. You can add more rows or just stop at previous rows. And then at this row, we start making the gap for the cat's ears and then the brim, and that's it. Chain 1. Now we make 8 half double crochet. So for the first ear, we chain 15, then we skip 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the 7th one we make half double crochet. And just make sure it's loose enough to be comfortable around your cat's ears. Then, considering this half double crochet that we made, we need to make 12 half double crochet. So this is 1, so now again chain 15, skip 6 stitches, and into the 7th one we make another half double crochet. And now, considering this one, we need to make another 9 half double crochet. As you can see, we've made gaps for the ears. Now finish this row with a slip stitch. For the next row, we just need to chain 1, and then we need to make increases in all stitches all the way around till the end of the row. Okay, so two half double crochet in each stitch. Okay, then when you reach to this part, you're also gonna make increases in all of these stitches, and we work into one of the loops only, so it will be easier. insert your hook, and as before, just increasing all the stitches. So keep doing this until the end of the row, and I will meet you guys back again. So I finished the row with a slip stitch, and for the very last row we chain one and just make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Continue doing this and I will meet you guys at the end of the row. To finish this row with one slip stitch, just cut your yarn because we are going to make invisible join here. Insert your needle through this stitch, then into the back loop of this last stitch. And as you can see, it's completely invisible. And then we weave in its end on the back. When you finish, cut. Our little hat is ready. You can also add straps so it won't fall off, but for now I'm happy with the result. And now let's crochet the leaf for the hat. With your 3mm crochet hook, chain 8, and then into the second chain make a single crochet, the next one half double crochet, the next one double crochet, one double crochet into the next, one half double crochet, one single crochet, then in the last one a slip stitch. Now we work on this side. Into the first stitch here we make one single crochet, into the next one half double crochet, one double crochet into the next, one double crochet again, one half double crochet, one single crochet, and one slip stitch into the first single crochet at the beginning of the row. Just cut the yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. You can cut this remaining tail as well. I want it to be at the center exactly, so I insert my needle into the center of the hat. Okay, and bring it from somewhere like here to the leaf, to this side as well. You can leave it like this or just also sew the middle of the leaf to the hat as well, and I'm gonna do this. So somewhere like here, yeah, and then to this part and in here. So on this side, just try to weave in its end. And then just cut the remaining tail. Here we go. Our lemonade hat is ready. It's so cute, especially if you try it on your cat. I also have an idea to enable the option which you can share your posts on the community tab, so you're able to share your beautiful pieces with me. If you tried any pattern on my channel, I would love to see them, so please take a picture and post it on the community tab. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.